If you've ever been surprised by how much data or battery the Telegram app uses when you're not even scrolling through your chats, you're not alone. Today, I'll show you exactly how to turn off background downloads in Telegram on your iPhone or Android device. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know how to stop Telegram from downloading files when you're not looking at them, saving you storage, bandwidth, and just a bit more peace of mind. Let's dive right in. First, grab your phone and open up the Telegram app. It's that little paper airplane icon you probably recognize by now. Make sure you're logged in on your main account so you're adjusting the settings for yourself, not for someone else. Once you're in, we need to access the app's settings. For most people, you'll tap on the menu. That's those three horizontal lines in the top left corner, sometimes called the hamburger menu. That'll slide open a panel where you can see your profile, contacts, and more. Find and tap the option that says Settings. Think of this section as the command center for your app preferences. Next, scroll down until you spot Data and Storage. Give that a tap. This area is dedicated to all things related to how Telegram sends and receives images, videos, documents, and more, both on Wi-Fi and mobile data. It's a good thing to get familiar with if you're ever worried about going over your plan's data limits or just want to keep your phone running smoothly. Now, inside Data and Storage, look for a section called Automatic Media Download. This is where Telegram decides whether files and media sent to you in channels or chats should start downloading by themselves, even if you're not opening those conversations at the moment. That can be pretty handy if you want all your memes and videos ready to watch offline, but if you don't want the app pulling in large files in the background, it's best to turn them off. You'll see three main options. When using mobile data, when connected on Wi-Fi, and when roaming. All three control when Telegram can fetch files without you asking. Go ahead and tap each of these toggles to make sure they're turned off. This tells Telegram to ask your permission before it grabs anything big, no matter if you're on your mobile plan, a home wireless network, or using data overseas. It's a small change that can save you from some surprise charges or slowdowns. Take a moment to double-check that all those toggles are indeed disabled. If any are still blue or green, depending on your device's theme, give them another tap to make sure they're gray or otherwise off. Sometimes the app takes a second to update, so don't worry if things feel a bit slow here. And that's it. Going forward, Telegram won't pull down photos, videos, or documents behind your back. You'll have full control over what gets downloaded and when. I know these settings can seem hidden, but spending a minute here can really pay off, especially if you travel, have a limited data plan, or just want your battery to last longer throughout the day. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. Got any questions about Telegram or other apps? Drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to help out. And if you want more quick, clear tutorials like this one, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.